With just 3 ingredients, everyone in your house will be surprised by this recipe. In a pan, add 395 grams of condensed milk. Also add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix until combined. Now, take the pan to the heat over medium-low. Stir the mixture non-stop until it cooks through and begins to release from the bottom of the pan. When that happens, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and keep stirring until the mixture gets thicker like a sticky fudge. This is the right consistency. After that, transfer this mixture to a small dish lined with plastic wrap. Spread it evenly until flat. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for 2 hours. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. After this indicated time, sprinkle cocoa powder over a cutting board. Unmold the fudge over this cocoa powder. Sprinkle more cocoa powder all over it. And cut it into equal-sized pieces, just like this. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.